If I was Sally Holland for a day, I would meet children on a regular basis, talking about their issues and everything.
Make sure there are more PSE lessons, advertisements, and overall knowledge about different types of disabilities.
I put more of a focus on children's wellbeing in schools.
So they have somewhere to go where they can be safe.
Listening to them, asking their opinions without making decisions or consultation meetings with important people, as the children are more important.
We would change the way people react to visiting travellers.
I was Sally Holland. I will make sure everyone is safe and not get bullied.
Also, I think the media have a lot to do with how they report, and even if it's positive, they tend to put the disability first.
We think that wellbeing should be prioritised more in schools.
So children have a place to go to be safe.
Change the way people respect us.
I think that teachers should have training for disabilities.
I also want to make sure that the children are aware of the